One bro, God. For me, the voice, you know what I do, I'm representing for Sunrise Boss.
Fully active in a real life. Yeah man, you see the flyers up on your phone screen right now or your TV screen. Yeah man, want you pause the video right now and read it. You see pre in a real life. You know, so I go tour a farm where them have be a natural meat. So it happen where they do a grill out at them home. So you need to check it out twice every month. You see pre, so you get some natural meat there. You see it? Yeah man. So me need you to forward and just support the thing. You see pre? Yeah man, you know too late. February 24th, just forward man. As what me say, pause the video, read the posters. So right now me on my way to the farm. You see pre? Yeah man, as you see in the intro, them have whole heap of things and me still know video whole heap more things that them have because me I go back. You see pre? So just like up the video, share, subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, I want to check out the farm. You see pre? Yeah man, in a real life. I'm going to put a number on the screen too. So if you don't want no hog or no goat or no chicken or no egg or nothing to buy one you see in the farm, just check them out. In a real life. Do the right thing. Yes, fully active. Reach the farm here now. So we're going.
You go anywhere you.
Anywhere. So say gone.
All the way down there is a big pond down there. So he come up on there.
Oh,
That's where all the things and stuff.
okay. So which part you think I should start tour first? From down, come up, I go down.
What do you think, Dina? You want to go down first, eh?
I will start from before I end, come up.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He can carry you down.
Okay.
Let me get it.
Yeah, reach from the farm I know, so I'm going to see what them have. And then, I'm going to know what time it is. What do you call them plum here?
Juju.
Juju?
Yeah.
Juju. And they're sweet, yeah. They're sweet peas. I'm on them sweet. So, coconut palm tree. This is the beauty in a real life. Okay. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Bless. Okay, peeps. Into the farm now. I'm in the farm. See what's the tour guide going. Oh. Wow. So this is the one with them. What's the right name?
Peacock.
Peacock. Yeah, the tail, like when they ready, the tail feather up. Peacock over there, so peeps. And
That's rabbit.
Pigeon. We got some pigeon on this side. Rabbits. Down here, the rabbits. The man want back a picture of the peacock, the peeps. Huh? Pigeon. Pigeon again. And pigeon are so nice. Pigeon me no look on their foot. And one fed up. And then pigeon are fat. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah man. Pigeon and fat peeps. Good. They're sweet, man. They're sweet. Yes, so up there, so we have a peacock and we just have some pigeon.
Oh, you say
yeah.
the rabbit them gonna get mate.
Oh yeah, the rabbit them gonna get mate, so we're going further down now. Yeah. We going further down where we have the pigs. Where say we have pigs.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have a nice little walk, nice little exercise from up where pigeon and if we come down at the farm with the goat them there and the pigs them and the chicken them. Can hear goat in the background already. Yeah. What the boss I say, through a field farm and the land fence and just let go some of them. So the one them will have kids, they in a penny and now you see pre. Yeah man, them are natural goat meat me peeps. Natural goat them you see pre. Yeah man. Them is natural goat meat. You put some curry on them, they're nice. Yeah man, that's real goat where you curry. When we talk about curry goat in Jamaica, that's what we curry. Man, the goat. Same say, most of them ain't let them out. So them are roam a place. Hopefully, can't see couple. See that? Huh?
Come straight down there, look.
Yeah, yeah.
In there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're coming out. It's a real pig. Look at me when I wear some monster them. A real hog them. Yeah, these are the real hogs. Yeah man. In a real life. Yeah man. When I put them pork up on the grill peeps, I get a nice eat, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Whether you brown stew the pork or you curry the pork, so look at that. Yeah. Yeah man. Nice at farm man. Nice at farm peeps. In a real life. Whole heap of hog. So I'm not going like they don't have natural food in Bahamas. They have not natural farmers here. Yeah, you see that natural farm there, your peeps. This one. Yeah man, so you see that? Natural farm there in the Bahamas, people, so you can get your goat, your hog and your chicken and all of them natural food there. Yeah man, big piggy. You can see so they're not hungry neither, then get them feeding. So they're alright. Yeah man. It's a good look.
That's a well right there. They get water.
Oh, well.
They get water.
So the well are a natural water spring up?
Yeah.
Oh, that's blessing. Yeah man, that's a blessing, peeps. Oh, yeah man, turn up. Shut a leak. Yeah man, active man. I love the design of how the pen them set up. Yeah, you see how the pen them set up. I love the design.
You say like all the pen?
Yeah, all the pen them just set up nice,
Because
man.
it's simple.
Yeah, simple.
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 A bunch of money. The part of them free, the thing I get from her husband.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
These the ducks right now. I don't know where the key is, but go to the cage.
Yeah.
The chicken in there. Go to the, because I don't know where the cage is.
So is the duck, I duck them layer?
Duck egg, yeah.
Oh,
She's sitting on there now.
yeah, she very cross. See how she looking? Oh, yep. So the layer fall. This one come up here, so fly gone now. No. Ducks. So you duck them have a special name or just duck?
They are Muscovy ducks.
Oh, Muscovy duck. You hear that? Yeah man. Yeah, I think, me see, you watch Farmer Girl Jess?
Yeah.
I think Jess have some duck up there. Yeah, I think me see glimpse duck like.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah man, catch and cook. Yeah man, over there so that catch spring up the water, so it's a good look. Yeah man, you see, just simple hog pen and hog them well comfortable. Look there, look at them well comfortable, peeps. Yeah man. Oh, forgot to say this there, son. See that?
Was.
Come on, Bahamas gonna get by was. Yeah man. Okay, so we see the ducks, we see the goat, we see the pigs. Now we're heading further down. Tomato tree them they plant up. So a whole heap of a farm. Yeah, it's a nice farm. We have a whole heap of cane. Oh yes, so you can get to know original cane juice buying up, peeps. And what about like all the animals them? You sell like the animals them?
Yeah.
Okay, so further on down in the video, we are going to see a number where you can contact if you want like the goats or the hog or the duck or some cane juice to buy or some coconut. Yeah, a whole heap of things up on the farm. So as I say, I leave a number and you can check them out. This is what? Dashin.
Yeah, that's
Yeah man, this is Dashin. Yeah, so see that Dashin they sell to peeps. You can see Kalaloo. Yeah, whole heap of Kalaloo, banana, guava. It's a nice farm.
That's where the hog them is going to be.
Oh, down here, so
Water, yeah.
oh, and that's why over there looks like they just.
Yeah, we feed them over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I say, hear that now, peeps? The ask them when them ready. Them just come down here, so and go have a bath. Yeah, man. Down here, side the eggs. And they ask them drink spot. They drink the water there and then they roam and go back up at them house. So you ask them to live comfortable. Them the meat them most nice.
The birds.
Go back there again. Let she show you the whistling ducks.
Oh, the whistling duck?
Yeah, go ahead. Show
That's the next one, and it goes straight back, so you can see them.
Oh, in the water. Yeah. Never wear any shoes. I'm just a fair walk. On stone, I go cross. Cause all of them place here, I wear them leg of the axe them. And the axe them just go enjoy themselves as when I see a zebra. Yeah man. So I go look on the duck them. They might tell me be careful. Watch out. The ducks they flying away, they're going across the next fence, peeps. Look at them. They're lifting up. They don't used to me. I'm gonna see them. Duck them a lift up. Yeah. Yeah man, the duck they're not used to nobody come on here, so now I come on here, so they might fly up. Inside them a whistle. Whistling duck. Catch them over there, so. Huh? Yeah man, so some of them come up there. Okay. Some of them gone back up, so I'm gonna go up there, see what's popping. Stepping on my sink, you know. I ask them there wanna so look at. See? Yeah man. I the ask them ramping ground this. So if I don't know me I do around here, so I sink. It's like a wood is a come around here, so
Yeah.
they just lift up. Yeah man, the duck they lift up and gone over there, so.
Yeah, they gone.
In real life, but the farm active peeps.
This is the official dump for the farm.
Okay.
So everything have a dump. That's dump.
Yeah.
Every city, every organization have a dump. That's the dump.
Okay. Yeah man. In real life. It's coconut tree then short though.
And they sweet. These two short one right there.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. Them have a whole heap more goat, but the goat them just gonna roam, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Them just let them out and the goat them gonna eat. And when them ready, them have a forward in back. If you notice too, the hogs them, I saw the hogs them do. The hogs them just go.
Pigs too.
Pigs?
Plenty more.
Oh.
They gone roaming.
So you see, that's why they look so healthy man, cause they just come out and go eat food whenever they want.
Yeah.
So they come back and rest when their belly full up. That's how the pigs them a live, peeps, in a real life.
This the chicken outdoor enclosure, you see.
Oh,
I know where you put the key, but it's a bag door there, and I
Oh.
let them out here in the day.
oh, the chickens.
The chicken, yeah, they come out of the main cage and they come in here.
Oh,
They enjoy themselves outside.
oh. Yeah, yeah man.
And I know where you put the car. All this for the hog to go over there.
Yes, I see. Yeah man, fully active man. Place nice too. Now the pigs and they run as asleep. I go look at me, see him a big boy, you know. Wonder if me run me done. So me I tell you, big boy, you know, could run gone. So me I tell you peeps, I say boss, the boss just let them out and then go eat and forward in back. Watch a big boy, this you know, monster, you know. To my ground, so where I rather go? Now picture of fire man. Big monster run peeps. Can't even get a picture. Man look on him in biggie. Big old bulldog. Don't run me down, you know. Yeah man, fully active man.
Farm go way back, you know. Expand way back. But pick them, some of them way in the back.
Way back, yeah.
You could go over there.
Yep.
They going in the front. Follow.
Yeah, peeps.
I can just wait right here.
Okay, no problem. We made it. Papa tree. Yeah, man. What do you patch? Fruit tree. A natural papa. Yeah, man. Look at these peeps. The natural papa this, you know. Yeah. See, them all ripe. Too late dropping. They want nice papa. I'll go back home. See me can a few of them for my mama. This is banana. The one in Jamaica we call this. How do you call it? Apple. Yeah, apple banana. What do you call it here? Sugar. Oh yeah. Sugar banana. Yeah man. Banana. Plant tree I lead so far with papa tree. Look like it was a papa farm. Yeah peeps, only papa tree. In real life, yo, come like me there Jamaica peeps. Now hunt, like me there on a hunt and cook video, you know. Anything I find, I cook.
Yeah, coconut jelly.
Yeah.
Mango. Let's take this.
Yeah. Yeah man. Coconut tree, mango tree, and up here I have a whole heap of gooseberry tree to peeps. Show your gooseberry. Yeah, now forward back here so. Up here I have a whole heap of gooseberry tree too. Yeah man, see them now? Gooseberry. See if none ripe. I would mind Father God bless me to find a ripe one. Cause you know me a God bless boy, you know. Only way me now find a ripe one unless they not fit yet. And see there we have pear tree. Yo, it's a good look man. Now I find a ackee tree you know. Okay, jelly tree them just they low. Can't just pick a jelly. Yeah man. You can just pick a jelly. Huh? Yeah, fully active. Yeah, go meet up back on them now. So. Yeah man, the Bahamas full of gooseberry tree also. In Jamaica we call it gooseberry.
I know it, jelly tree.
Yeah, yeah.
I know.
Very sweet and nice. In Jamaica when we walk, you see all them limb you know. Normally when we walk, so them drop off a coconut tree, you look for wasp. Cause when we drop off with all the waspness and the wasp then just come back and lay down on it. So you step on it now, whoa. You gotta run quick. Yeah, you have to get up and run.
Hey, what happened?
No, I'm just saying that more time you got like the waspness that depend on the jelly limb. Sometimes the jelly limb drop off and the wasp them still on the nest on the ground. So if you miss and step on that, the whole family coming up. This nearly look like a Jew plum tree.
Yeah, better. It's a good blood cleanser. This is an antibiotic. And this is good for STDs.
Oh. Okay. You hear that? So you say it cure STD. Okay, peeps. All over. There's some yam vine over here. So yam take over a coconut tree. Where look at this root. I don't see the root. A whole heap of yam. Get down here. So. Yo, peeps, it's just a little tour. Now I run through the farm and see what they're here. So when I come back next, I know what I'm going to do in a real life.
Road coming through here.
Okay.
We have our stall ready.
In a real life.
Then we got a stall now over by the farmer's market.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have a stall in the farmer's market. But when this road finish, we have a stall here.
Yeah, man. Instead of have a stall out at the farmer's market that open every Saturday. But right now them have 1 year, so whenever the road get active and a lot of people start live up here, them have a spot already in a real life. Yeah, man. Fully active.
I ask you, you don't take everyone, right? Just then, you see that tree there? Where it is?
Be right up. On top of your head.
No. You taste that first. Okay, let me taste it.
Taste that one.
Okay. Here it is, sweeter.
Let me show you.
She got a big one right here. And see one here.
Yeah, you taste that, Bino. Come on, Ade. You take.
Yeah, and see one more here. If they want.
That one ain't quite.
Oh.
I tell you, man.
It's sweet. Sugar. What if I chew the cheese smaller?
No.
I'm gonna start.
No, it's fertilized.
Oh,
I forget. That's you see all them trees, yeah?
yeah. Yeah, man, you're sweet for 2 pips. And you say all of the tree them will have come from this one.
That's what I tell you. Now with these here, like I say, I don't understand how you forget to. And this the mother tree for all of them. I don't know, sweet. Try the one there.
So big piece.
I forget to fertilize.
That leading. This big and full of flesh, but that one sweet and nicer.
That's what I tell her. That's what I tell you. I think
Yeah.
That's the importance of fertilizer.
That's the importance of
Yeah.
fertilizer.
Nice passion. Right across from the plum tree, you have a passion tree. So just do remember, like up the video, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Everything active. Just drink a one jelly. My belly wad up. And me have some papa when me just pick. Them go under the car with the jelly them. So it's a good look.
Let me know, boy. Woo! I'm not like, with this jelly in my belly full right now.
Yeah, they're full of meat.
There's plenty meat.
How much me drink? Only one me drink. Lower my camera and eat a piece there. So, hey.